What is up, everybody out there in YouTube land? Jose once again, PetRockMedia.com, back with a new video. This is a quick short video about teaching you all how to provide separation from the background of your subject when you are filming kind of like a YouTube studio video like this. Let's quickly talk about it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and this type of content is something you're interested in, consider hitting that subscribe button, punching the bell icon, doing all those things, engage in the comments. This is the type of content we try to post to this channel, and thank you all for stopping by. So real quickly, what I wanted to do is kind of continue the conversation that we've had regarding this light that I'm using right now, the Amaran Verge Max. Right now, it is directly in front of me, and this is the only light source that I have in my office right now. However, off to the side right here, I have a light on a GorillaPod that is facing away that I'm going to use real quickly to kind of show you how to make a little bit more lighting on the side and kind of add that little bit more separation from myself to the background that's a little lit from the fall off of the lamp. Now what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to focus the beauty dish in front of me. Right now it's kind of more over my head. I'm going to bring it down so you can see the difference. So right there you can tell that the light did change a little bit. Didn't upgrade the brightness or anything like that. Didn't update that. All I did was take the light from being more forward to a little bit more slanted. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this other additional light. It's a stick light, and there you have it. So what I've done is I've focused my main source, my key light if you will, that's directly in front of me right behind my camera. It's again the Amaran Verge Max. It is a cylinder beauty dish style light. It's relatively thin, huge source of light. It has the grid on it right now, which provides a little bit more focused lighting on me. Now all I did outside of having that light was then add the additional light, which provides a little bit more on my face on the sides to provide a little bit more separation from my background. And there you have it. That is all I wanted to talk to you all about today. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. This light that I have off to the right of me, it is a no-name light. It was actually something that I won on a giveaway, so I don't even remember the brand of it right now. Lux CEO is the brand. I looked over to the side right now. It's a cool little light. Has a 1/4-20 mount on the bottom, which again I have it right now mounted on a GorillaPod. So it's a movable light that I can move right here, I can move here. So what I've done is kind of moved it off to the side again, kind of almost lighting the back of me for a hair light, but just wanted to show you all that adding an additional light could potentially take your production to the next level. So once again, this is with it, and this is with the light away. Again, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Thank you all for stopping on by and watching the video. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.